Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, what are we going to learn today? Google Workspace hacks. Whether it is using Google Sheets or Google Docs or Google Drive or any other Google product, how we can integrate all of them to work together simultaneously for us. Few hacks that we are going to discuss will solve a lot of problem for us. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go. Hello everyone, I welcome you all once again. And what we are going to learn today is a very underrated application of Google which is really helpful. I am talking about Google Docs, and today we are going to see how, whenever especially we are working in a collaborative environment, how you can leverage the power of Google Docs. So without wasting much time, let's deep dive. Simply you have to log in from your Gmail, and here you can see the dots. You can either go here and go to Docs, and if you have previously made some documents, this is going to display them, and simply if you have not made, simply you can click on create. Another option is, even if you are in Google Drive, here you can go to new and then Google Docs, Sheets, whichever you want. So we'll talk about Google Docs, and when I'm clicking, you can see a new untitled document has come. So trick number one, whenever you are opening, you have a host of templates already built for you. So we go to file and new, and then we go from template gallery, and here you will see that amazing beautiful templates are made for you. Whether you want some resumes or you want some letters or something about work, maybe some other things, maybe about sales, many types of templates are already made for you so that you can use ready-made templates. And then trick number two, specific headings. So what I'm saying is that suppose I've chosen this resume and I want that someone should help me regarding this, only this awards part. So what I can do is right click here and copy heading link. So what this will do is directly point out to this section. So I have copied the heading link here, and in between I have to show you another amazing thing. So what we can do is go to insert and building blocks and email draft. So since I have to send a link to the person, what I can do is directly draft my email here. Suppose at the rate, maybe I want documents.guwahati and subject is please verify my resume, and you can see that the link has been copied, and from here itself I can mail the person and no need to go to Gmail. So if I click here, you can see my Gmail is opening, and very simple, you can draft the emails in your Google Docs only, and then directly you can send them. Okay, so now on the other hand, I will show you how the other person gets it. We have to give the permissions. Okay, not an issue. Anyone with the link, maybe we can make it editor send. So now this is my email ID only, and we shall see how this is performing. So now I will show you the other side how it is, and we'll go to the documents mail ID, and we can see please verify my resume, and as soon as I click on this link, you can see I will exactly go there only. So this can be helpful not only for this, but suppose in a long project you want specific persons to work on specific things, you can do it here. Now for the editing part, suppose I am the person who want to suggest something, what you can do is instead of editing, you can choose here suggesting, and here instead of awards, maybe I will write awards that I have won. Okay, and save it. Now we will go to the other side and check in the original document what has happened. I've closed here, and we will go to the other side, and you can see that here as soon as the person has typed, I have got a live notification that there someone has commented and that I have won has been added. So beautifully I can either accept or reject it. As soon as I accept it, it will be incorporated in my document. So this way this can be really helpful. So this is one way of doing it. Now there may be a situation when you are having a lot of suggestions and you are confused. So I will show you one instance. So you can see that a lot of changes has been made. It is not possible for me to see each and everything in a long document. So what I can do is go to tools, review suggested edits, and here I can do is preview accept all. So as soon as I click on preview, it will give me an idea of what are the possible suggestions that has been given and how my document will look after this. So it seems that all are okay. I will accept all. Now, one of the best features of Google Doc is that suppose you have accepted all and that was by mistake. So what you can do is go to file and version history and see version history. This way, not only you can undo it, but if you want that those suggestions were accepted by mistake, you can simply go to the original doc or any other previous versions. This is really amazing when you are working in collaboration and you have some mistakes. So that was about the collaboration part. The main part that I want to show is how to work on a project while collaborating with others. So once again, I will choose one, say maybe blank document. So whenever I have to work on a project, what I can do is go to insert and building blocks and here a product roadmap. This is super helpful. First, what I can do is real-time collaboration. How? Suppose I am a junior and I want the senior to look at my document. So what I can write is @ suppose Lokesh Agarwal is a senior and I have in progress, and here all the files that I have stored in my document. So suppose I have a file audit notings and here please check. Okay, and maybe to some another senior I want to write something else @ maybe documents.guwahati, and this is also in progress, and maybe I have to check some invoice. So you can see Lokesh invoice, please see the amount. Okay, so now also I can share them at once. In a go it will be shared, not an issue. You go editor share. So this way you can easily share with them. And now suppose when I am opening it, the senior can directly open the file from here. You can see audit notings is there. So this way you can suggest the changes as I have already shown, and this can be beautiful. Much more options are, and what we can do is add our own options here. Suppose you want that other options to be added, launch status or any other thing, you can add, and this way you can collaborate with the files on real time. You can edit them, you can save them, everything. Also I have shown you other things. Suppose the email part, so it is very easy. We go to the building blocks only and email draft. This way you can use Google Docs for a lot of things and for wonderful collaborations. So now a pro tip regarding other Google workspaces. Suppose I have my email and I want to fix a meeting with one of my client, but I am not sure of the timings. So I want to combine, I want to give the client 2-3 options. So what I can do is go to compose, and here the 3 dots, here the option is set up a time to meet, and here offer time when you are free. So this way you will see that amazingly I can give option to my client. Suppose I want to give time on maybe 25th December. I am free and it is just a casual meeting. I want to give 1 p.m, maybe 3 p.m and 5 p.m. Any one of the slots client can book. Okay, so next, and add to email. So what is the benefit here? Number 1, your Gmail is linked. Number 2, Google Calendar is linked. Number 3, Google Meet is linked. So on the definite time that your client will select, you will get not only the alert but also automatically created Google Meet link. So add to email, and you will see that 3 options have been given. And suppose I want to email documents.guwahati, please choose a suitable timing. Okay, and I just send it. So this way the client can choose the time when he is free and you can collaborate without much hassle. So this way we can use Google Workspace for a lot of things. I will make more videos on Google Workspace since this has already become a long video. So we will wind up here and do practice these things and incorporate them, especially if you are working in a collaborative environment. I hope you got some value out of this video. Don't forget to comment which one was your favorite part today, And if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe. That's all for today, friends. See you in the next video.